Hey guys, today I meet a stray dog whose neck was not only covered with ticks but also had small wounds and damaged skin. I gently rubbed the area to comfort him, just like preparing for an injection. So he would not be afraid. Every soft touch was to let him know that someone cares, even for dogs living on the streets. After calming him down, I sat beside him with veterinary medicine and a syringe in my hand. I carefully filled the syringe, making sure the dose was ready to help him fight the ticks and heal his skin. His eyes followed my every move as if silently asking, "What will you do for me today?" When the moment came, I gently pulled him closer, not because he was aggressive, but to keep him from running away in fear. This was not just about giving an injection, it was about showing that even stray dogs with wounds and pain deserve compassion and care. As I gently held him, I sat down beside the dog. That's when I noticed something else. Right on his tail, there was a small, sharp, nail like growth, and not far from us, another dog. The one with an injured leg who limps was watching quietly. I rubbed the stray dog's neck again exactly where the injection was about to go so he could feel safe in my touch. But as I moved my hand upwards, I saw something far worse. Right above his ears, there were big swollen ticks, completely filled with blood. They were tightly gripping onto his skin, causing pain and irritation. With gloves on my hands, I carefully pulled each tick out one by one. Some of them were so large and stubborn that I had to use extra effort. I took a stick, applied the chemical treatment on it, and touched the ticks with it. Within moments, they stopped moving. It was a relief to know these parasites would no longer harm him. Once I was sure his neck was clear, I kept my hand gently on him, speaking softly so he would not get scared. Then I picked up the syringe and gave him the skin injection, a small moment of discomfort for him, but a big step toward healing his wounds and protecting him from ticks. After the injection, I stroked his head and neck, letting him know he was safe now. We slowly packed up our things, walked back to the motorcycle, and prepared to leave. Thanks everyone for watching my complete video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, follow us on my TikTok account, and follow us on my Facebook page. Thank you everyone for watching my complete video. Thank you.